Description: Robot arm is a prototype that uses the Pascal's principle that can lift objects. We decided to build the robot arm prototype that uses minimal force. By doing this prototype, we can learn how Pascal's principle work on this robotic arm. Objective. First objective, demonstrate hydraulic system by using Pascal's principle to lift object using gripper. Second objective, understand the application of Pascal's principle on robotic arm. Material and cost. Model structure: cardboard stick glue, Pascal system, 10 ml string 8 units, tube, control panel, cardboard ice cream stick glue. Estimate of total cost is 15 ringgit. Recycle item: cardboard stick ice cream stick. Results and discussion. The purpose of why we choose the robotic arm project because it is project that uses the principle of Pascal. This Pascal project is widely applied in human daily life as an aid for human beings to do work without using a lot of energy. Most of the materials we use are natural recycled materials. It proves that recycled materials have a strong structure and are easy to form. In this project, we use pressure formula and Pascal's principle formula. Since the same size of strings are used for both applied force and loading force, the calculation show the ratio of 1:1. It means that for every 1 Newton of force applied, we'll get 1 Newton of loading force. The Pascal principle in our robotic arm project is that the force exerted on the surface of panel control string is uniform with to every portion of the fluid at the applied force string. You also can calculate the maximum amount of water in the string. Four types of colors we have used in our project robotic arm. Each color has special functions. Yellow is served to rotate the body part of robotic arm to the left or to the right. Red is served to elevate or lower the body of the robotic arm. Green is served to lift the arm part to higher and lower. Blue is served to grip and decompose objects that are in the grip area. We use 4 pairs of string to enable our project to have many functions such as lifting, turning, gripping, and placing. For the movement of a part of the project is through the first string, which will be subjected to pressure so that the water present in the string will move to the second string that controls the movement of the project. Finally, we also put a main control panel to make it easier for our project to be controlled, and that will make the movements work as well. Impact: the robotic arm can help to reduce electricity uses. It is used widely in construction industry. Principle of a hydraulic robotic arm. Pascal's principle is the basis of hydraulic drive systems. As the pressure in the system is the same, the force that the fluid gives to the surroundings is therefore equal to pressure times area. In such a way, a small piston feels a small force and a large piston feels a large force. Pascal's principle can be interpreted as any change in pressure applied at any given point of the fluid is transmitted and diminished throughout the fluid. Conservation of energy applied to a hydraulic system tests that the system cannot do more work than is done on it. Work transfers energy, and so the work output cannot exceed the work input. Therefore, power brakes and other similar hydraulic systems use pumps to supply extra energy when needed.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So today I will show you our project named Robotic Arm. Okay, first of all, I will show you how this prototype will build. This prototype will be using a cardboard, stick and some of glue. And it's controlled by this hydraulic panel. This part, its named body, we use 10 cm of length and 14 cm of tall. This first hand we use 20 cm of length and second hand we use 27 cm of length. Okay, this hydraulic panel we build with some of shrink and ice cream sticks. Okay, so now I will show you how this prototype works. This first ring with yellow liquid control this body going right and left like this. And the second string with red liquid control this first hand to going up and down like this. The third string with green liquid control this first hand going up and down too, like this. And the last string with blue liquid control this jaw to lift the item like this.